We're going to school.
Okay, see you.
What do you mean, okay? Aren't you going, sis?
I am just gonna put these on the line first, though. Aren't I a nice sister?
Not if you have to remind me of it. Okay, bye. Ask the lady who moved in next door.
Bye-bye, darling. Love you. Drive safe.
Should I say something? I might embarrass her.
Oh, hi, Moi.
Good, she didn't mind. Good morning, Ms. Okata.
Have a nice life. Crap, she saw me.
Well, wait, Mrs. Okata, don't do it.
Well, I'm so mortified.
What do I say here? I know. Hey, have you finished unpacking?
Finished unpacking. Well, oversized trash? We just moved in, so I don't know the collection rules here.
Why not look it up on the internet?
Enter net. Oh yeah, the internet. That thing you do with a computer.
She has no idea. If you want, I could.
You got a message. You got a...
When I get home, I can print out the trash collection guide for you.
That was so cool. Print out. Just you wait, Trash. Moi's gonna print out some stuff and then I'll get rid of you. What a nice day. Perfect for drying the laundry. Oh yeah, the laundry. Wait, I don't have a washer. Better get one.
Mrs. Okata?
No, darling. Not right now.
Mrs. Okata,
It's still light out, dear. Okay, just for a while.
Mrs. Okata! It's about time. And wipe your mouth.
Okay. Oh God, I'm so embarrassed.
Quick, check her out, man. All set up, ma'am.
A new washer for my new home. It's already washed away the embarrassment.
Have a nice day.
Let's test it out. Too many. Wow, these new models sure are tricky. Okay, let's try again. With the manual, it's no sweat. It's so nice out. Perfect weather for shopping. The wash can wait. A fitness center right near home. How convenient. Maybe I can swing by when I'm out shopping. No, I don't need this. Darling said I'm fine just how I am. Didn't he? Oh, hi, Kirara. Back from the sandbox? You're a mess.
You're so soft and squishy.
Squishy, huh? Guess it won't hurt to lose a few pounds. It worked.
Put some clothes on, Kirara.
I see. The trick is to load the washer before starting it. Pretty high tech.
I brought the trash collection printout for you.
The printout? Thanks so much. I'll be right there. Wait just a sec, hun.
Okay.
I was so preoccupied with the washer, I forgot to get another change of clothes. Which box did I pack them in again? I'll be right there. Oh, look, my high school yearbook. No time for that. Sorry, Moy. Thanks for waiting.
No prob.
Thanks so much for coming by.
Here.
What's wrong?
I'm just a bit shy. Goodbye.
What was that about? It's done. Okay, so I do need to lose weight.